We are offering you Qualcert Certified Human Resource Management Professional (CHRMP) certification program. This specialized course is designed to elevate your HR expertise and position you as a leader in human resource management. In today's dynamic business environment, effective human resource management is crucial for organizational success. The CHRMP certification will provide you with the advanced knowledge and skills needed to manage HR functions with excellence and strategic insight. By earning the CHRMP certification, you'll enhance your ability to lead HR functions, contribute to strategic initiatives, and drive organizational success. Mandatory units of this qualification are: Introduction to Human Resource Management, Recruitment and Selection, Employee Relations, Compensation and Benefits Management, Training and Development, Performance Management. This course is ideal for HR professionals, aspiring HR professionals, managers and supervisors, entrepreneurs and business owners. What is the duration of this course? The duration of the Qualcert Certified Human Resource Management Professional (CHRMP) certification course typically ranges from 3 to 5 days. All Qualcert certifications and awards are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest Qualcert approved center. Visit our website at www.qualcerts.co.uk for more qualifications and information.